Don't pick your nose, an essential guide to English etiquette. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language and culture. Today, we're exploring a common phrase that's not only a piece of advice but also a peek into cultural etiquette. Don't pick your nose. If you're eager to understand what it means, why it's important, and how to use it correctly, you're in the right place. Let's unravel the mystery together. Don't pick your nose is a straightforward instruction advising someone not to insert their finger into their nose, especially in public. It's considered a basic hygiene practice and part of good manners in many cultures around the world. But why is it so important to highlight this? Well, it's not just about cleanliness. It's also about social etiquette and respect for others around you. In many cultures, nose-picking is seen as an impolite and unhygienic habit, especially when done in public. It's associated with a lack of self-control and awareness of social norms. Teaching children, "Don't pick your nose," is part of instilling good manners from an early age. For non-native speakers, understanding such phrases is crucial, not only to learn the language but also to integrate smoothly into English-speaking societies. This phrase is often used in a directive manner, mostly towards children. However, it can also be a friendly reminder among adults in a more humorous or light-hearted context. It's rarely used in formal situations, but knowing it enhances your understanding of everyday English. Example for children: remember, don't pick your nose. Use a tissue instead if you need to. Example among adults: hey, no one's looking, but still, don't pick your nose in public, okay? While "don't pick your nose" is clear and commonly understood, there are more polite or indirect ways to convey the same message, especially when addressing adults or in more formal settings. Here are a few alternatives. Please use a tissue if you need to. It's best to excuse oneself to the restroom for that. Let's mind our manners, shall we? These alternatives highlight the importance of being considerate and maintaining personal hygiene without directly pointing out the act. Understanding phrases like "don't pick your nose" offers more than just a lesson in English vocabulary. It's a window into cultural norms and social etiquette. It reminds us of the importance of being mindful of our actions and respectful towards others in our global community. We hope this video has been enlightening and helpful in your journey to mastering English. Remember, language learning is not just about words, it's about communication and culture. See you in our next video.